Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have this massive English breakfast for you. I have 4 toast, some sauteed mushroom, fried eggs sunny side up, bacon, sausages, some grilled tomato, and over here some fake blood sausage or black pudding, and some barbecue baked beans. Alright, let's start. Let's go in for a good old sausage. Alright, wait, before I start, I need some hot sauce on this. I need some hot sauce. I love this hot sauce or hot chili, whatever. Alright, dunk it in this. Get some baked beans on this. Alright, first bite. So nice with this barbecue baked beans. I was going to go for the regular one, but might as well go for the barbecue. Oh man, it's so nice. This baked beans so nice. Oh man. Oh, this is good stuff. Alright, let's try this fake blood sausage. Not bad. Let's try the mushroom. All I did was chuck in some butter, garlic, spring onion, salt, pepper. Beautiful. Oh my god. Man, it's nice. Oh man, I really like that. Alright, let's go in for some bacon. Can't go wrong with crispy bacon. Let's go for a nice runny egg. Some toast. Baked beans on that. Something tells me this is going to be really messy. Nice runny egg. That's always good. Man, it's nice. I'm really loving this meal. English breakfast for dinner. Oh man, these mushrooms. Beautiful. Oh man. That's good sausage. Plenty of this baked bean, mushroom, piece of bacon, oh man, that really hits the spot. That was a satisfying bite. Let's go for another one of this beautiful runny egg. Baked beans. You know what? Let's add some bacon this time. Oh man, so pretty. Man. Big ass piece of tomato. Scoop all this beautiful sauce. Love that snap. Oh man, that was delicious. Thanks for watching.